What is a semitone? A semitone, also called a half step or half tone, is the shortest distance between two notes. On the piano keyboard, a semitone goes from one key to the very next key. For instance, C to the black key after it is a semitone. E to F, the note after E, is a semitone. If you move from key to key without skipping any key, you are playing semitones each time. Accidentals, flats, sharps, and naturals. A flat lowers a note by a semitone. The flat sign is often written like this, small b. Therefore, if you come across this, you say B flat. A sharp raises a note by a semitone. The sharp sign is often written like this. It looks like a hashtag. So if you come across this, you say F sharp. A natural cancels a sharp or flat. For example, if a musical piece has a note that's flatted, but the composer wants that note to be a natural note, a natural sign would be added. So let's say there's a B flat according to the key signature, and the composer wants you to play the note B instead. At a certain point in the music, a natural sign would be placed before the note. The natural sign tells you to play B natural and not B flat. Sharps, flats, and naturals are called accidentals. Accidentals last for no longer than one measure. If there is an accidental before a note in a measure, every other note on that line or space in the measure will be affected. For example, if a flat sign is placed before B, every other B in that measure would be B flat, unless a natural sign is added to other B notes in that measure. When the measure ends, you go back to the regular note. In other words, you go back to B. Accidentals are cancelled by the bar line. Accidentals go on the left side of the note head. A flat sign consists of a small loop and a stem. On the staff, it is placed in front of a note. The loop of the flat sign is placed directly on the line or the space of its note head. If a note is on a space, the flat sign's loop should be in the middle of the space. If a note is on a line, the line should run through the center of the loop. As for the stem of the flat sign, it's about 2.5 staff spaces long. How about the sharp sign? To draw this sign, slant horizontal lines upwards and to the right. The space in the middle of this sign is placed on the same line or space as its note head. A sharp sign has a height of about 3 staff spaces. A natural sign looks almost like a sharp sign, but some of its lines are not as long. To draw this sign, think of drawing an L, then adding the number 7 to it, ending up with a space in the center. Similar to the other accidentals, the space in the middle of the natural sign is placed on the line or space of the note head that it affects. A natural sign is about 3 staff spaces in height. Remember that sharps go up a semitone or half step, while flats go down a semitone. Naturals cancel a sharp or flat. On piano, a sharp means that you play the next key to the right, while a flat means that you play the key to the left. For example, C sharp means to play the key to the immediate right of C, while D flat means to play the key to the left of D. A sharp means to play the key to the right of A, while B flat means to play the key to the left of B. Practice drawing 20 sharps, 20 flats, and 20 naturals. This will really help. For each of the accidentals, draw 10 on the line and 10 on the spaces of the staff. You can purchase staff paper online or in a music store, or you may be able to find some on the internet and print them out. Remember to draw them on the line or space of the note head that they affect. Also, remember that they must be drawn before the note.